Is this the world's biggest bandsaw? Certainly not, but she's ours and we love her. We've had a lot of people asking about our bandsaw, so here's the lowdown. She's a Robinson 48-inch resaw. We've had her for over 20 years, but she's probably over 60 by now. Put simply, our bandsaw is a beast because it has to be. Reclaimed timber doesn't often come through our yard in neat little planks. It comes in massive beams, old bridge timbers, wharf posts, and all sorts of chunky, character-filled pieces that need serious gear to tame it. Capable of milling oversized, seasoned hardwood and one-of-a-kind pieces for your next project, our giant bandsaw helps make our work possible. Got a project that needs something big? Get in touch with us today.